Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your low blue light. So at first we have to click the button which is at the back of our monitor in the bottom right corner, and we have to click once again. Here we have to scroll down to color and click once again. Now we have to scroll down until we see low blue light. This is this preset and we have to click on the button once again. As you can see, to manage our low blue light mode, we have to scroll down and up to switch between low blue light modes. We have low blue light overall, low blue light for night, and low blue light for reading. To save the preset, we just have to click. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.